Hi guys, I'm Daryl. I'm here to explain the rules of Fowling to you. The game is really simple. You have to be the first team to knock down all 10 of your opponent's pins. First one to do that wins. We put up to 5 players per team. You flip a coin to see which team decides to throw first. You get 1 ball per lane. You can throw the football however you like. You just cannot kick the ball. You throw the football back and forth, and the first team to knock down all 10 pins wins. Any pins knocked down have to be then cleared from the board and placed against the back wall. Now, a pin down is also a pin down, meaning any accidental grazing of pins while clearing the board or non-malicious throws, like footballs coming from adjacent games, counts. And any maliciously knocked down pins must be replaced to their upright position. The field of play is defined as the area between the far ends of the boards and indefinitely on the sides. The football must be thrown between the pro and amateur lines, which are at the front and back of the board. Players agree in advance on what line they're going to throw from, either the pro or amateur. A foot foul is when any player that throws crosses the yellow line. Any pins they knock down get reset and they lose a turn. Players may defend their pins from any outside objects, such as footballs from adjacent games. Players may not touch any pins or footballs within the field of play. Once the ball crosses the back line, it exits the field of play, it can now be stopped. If the ball re-enters the field of play, it is live again and cannot be touched until it or the pins stop moving. Violation of any defense rules result in a penalty shot. Any pins knocked down during the initial penalty shot remain down. If you're throwing from the pro line, you throw from the amateur. If you're throwing from the amateur line, you throw from 8 feet in front of the board. Any player may throw the penalty shot regardless of the team's order. The team throwing the penalty shot receives the ball back, with the fowler whose throw is interfered with re-throwing. If Team A knocks down all 10 pins before Team B, Team B is allowed 1 final redemption shot to knock down all remaining pins. If Team B knocks down all remaining pins, it results in a sudden death. Each team places 1 pin on any dot of their choosing. Coin flip determines which team throws first. You throw the football back and forth. Whoever knocks that pin down wins. The opposing team does not get a redemption shot. You're probably wondering why there's a red pin in the middle of each board. That's called the bonk pin. If any player's first throw hits just the red pin and only the red pin, the other 9 still standing, you win automatically. Let a staff member know you get to put your name on the bonk board and pull the bonk honk. The philosophy behind Fowling is sportsmanship. After each game, meet mid-lane and exchange a friendly good fold. During normal gameplay, please be courteous of other games. If you need to retrieve a stray ball, please walk around, not through the field of play. Thanks for watching, have fun, and fowl on.